Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, read. I am reading Gita. Second, allow. She allowed him to stay out late. 3. Teach. They does not teach English. 4th, mango. This is a mango. 5th, eat. I eat an apple daily. 6th, call. He will call me tomorrow. 7th, forest. Animals live in the forest. 8th, books. I have lost my books. 9th, bus. This bus is not going now. 10th, player. Who has chosen this player? 11th, doctor. My friend is a famous doctor. 12, pilot. This plane is flown by this pilot. 13, horse. Horses run very fast. 14th, map. I cannot study the map of India. 15th, door. Don't go through this door. Thanks for watching.